Hello, Agile enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of product backlog refinement. This term may sound technical, but it's actually a simple concept with massive impact on your Agile project's success. So, what is product backlog refinement? It's the process of reviewing, updating, and prioritizing backlog items to ensure they align with project goals. But why is it so crucial? Well, it helps teams clarify requirements and estimate efforts, making upcoming sprints more manageable. Let's get started by defining what product backlog refinement is and why it's so important. Product backlog refinement, also known as backlog grooming, is the process of reviewing, updating, and prioritizing backlog items. It's like tidying up your workspace, but instead of physical clutter, you're dealing with tasks, features, and bug fixes. The aim is to ensure everything is clear, relevant, and aligned with the project's goals. It's an ongoing conversation between team members, a chance to question, clarify, and re-estimate. This ongoing activity helps teams clarify requirements and estimate efforts, making the upcoming sprints more manageable and predictable. Without regular refinement, the backlog can become a jumbled mess of outdated and vague items, leading to confusion and inefficiency. Imagine a team scrambling to decipher what's needed from a pile of unorganized tasks. This chaos not only disrupts the flow of work, but also drains the team's energy. What could have been a smooth sail towards the project goal turns into a stormy voyage of uncertainty and frustration. Refinement ensures that the most valuable and actionable items are ready for development, optimizing your team's productivity and focus. The main participants in backlog refinement are the product owner, who leads the session, the development team, and often the Scrum Master. The product owner, being the voice of the stakeholders, presents the items and steers the discussion based on business value. Meanwhile, the development team provides crucial insight into technical feasibility and effort estimations. Lastly, the Scrum Master, acting as a coach, ensures the conversation stays on track and everyone's voice is heard. The Scrum Master facilitates the meeting and ensures that it is productive. Let's delve into the key steps involved in a typical backlog refinement session. The process begins with reviewing the backlog. The product owner presents the items with a focus on those projected for the next few sprints. This is followed by the step of clarifying requirements. The team asks questions to ensure each item is clearly understood and well-defined. Next, we move to estimating effort. The team discusses and assigns estimates to the items, usually using story points or ideal days. Once the effort is estimated, we shift to prioritizing items. The product owner reprioritizes the items based on feedback, urgency, and business value. The final step in our process is identifying risks and dependencies. This is where the team identifies any potential risks or dependencies associated with backlog items. Identifying any potential risks or dependencies associated with backlog items is the final step of an effective refinement process. Effective backlog refinement leads to several key benefits for Agile teams. It paves the way for improved clarity and focus, enabling development teams to zero in on what matters most. It allows for more accurate planning and estimation, ensuring that everyone is on the same page about the work ahead. It enhances adaptability, making it easier to incorporate changes and stakeholder feedback. Moreover, it boosts productivity, as teams can work more efficiently without the distraction of ambiguity. These benefits result in reduced time wasted on misunderstandings and ultimately successful project outcomes. To reap these benefits, here are some tips for conducting effective refinement sessions. First, make it a habit. Schedule regular refinement sessions to keep your backlog manageable. Second, come prepared. The product owner should have a clear agenda and background information on the items. Third, ensure all relevant team members are involved and can contribute their unique insights. Finally, time box the session. This helps keep the session concise and focused to maintain energy and efficiency. That's a wrap on product backlog refinement. We've journeyed through the importance of refining your backlog, highlighting the key roles that contribute to this process, and the steps to make it effective. Remember, a well-groomed backlog is the cornerstone of any Agile project. It paves the way for clarity, focus, and ultimately success. Don't let your backlog turn into a black hole of outdated or vague items. Take the reins and guide your team towards more accurate planning, better estimation, and increased productivity. Make your refinement sessions regular, engaging, and time-boxed. Come prepared and encourage everyone to contribute. It might seem daunting at first, but with practice and persistence, you'll see a remarkable improvement in your team's agility and productivity. Implement these practices in your next refinement session and watch your team's agility and productivity soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more agile insights. Happy refining, and see you in the next video.